Hello, good morning to all. I'm Nikhat Fatima from GG College. Today I'm going to explain you about articles. Articles nothing but belongs to the part of speech known as adjective. The words a, an, and the are called articles. They come before nouns and helping identify the person, place, animal, or thing referred to by them. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. The articles a and an are called indefinite articles. They come before singular countable nouns and they identify the person or thing they represent in a general way. The basic meaning of the indefinite article is one. For example, I wrote with a pencil. Bina was baking a cake. Here is a singer. A lion roared. An owl hooted. May I have an egg, please? She's an Indian. It is important to remember that we are referring to consonant and vowel sounds and not letters. For example, Vinod wants to join a university. We are member of a union. Similarly, you are an honest person. I have been waiting here for an hour. A. Indefinite article, not a specific object, one of a number of the same object with constants. She has a dog. I work in a factory. You can see here an indefinite article, almost the same rules as a, not a specific object, one of a number of the same objects, however, used with vowels. Example, can I have an apple? She is an English teacher. The article the is the definite article and it precedes both singular and plural nouns to refer to the person or thing they represent in a specific way. A specific object that both the person speaking and the listener know. Examples: the car over there is fast. The teacher is very good, isn't he? And there are few rules. Uh, the definite article is used in the following situations. The first time you speak of something, use a or an. The next time you repeat that object, use the. For example, I live in a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. You can see here, house is a noun and a is placed before a noun house because it is used in the sentence. House is used first time, and when it is repeating, when this noun is repeating for repeated words, nouns, we have to use the second time. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. You see, in second time, when the same noun is used, we are using the before it. And we should not use an article with countries, states, countries or provinces, lakes and mountains, except when the country is a collection of states such as the United States. He lives in Washington near Mount Rainier. They live in northern British Columbia, or if it is part of the title of the country. And we can use article the with an adjective phrase or clause. For example, the man with a long nose, the man who has a long nose, the tea on the table, the tea which is on the table. You can use article the, and you can use article the with ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the second, the third, and so on. And you can use when we have the structure of noun plus of plus noun. Article the is used with first noun. In repetance, for example, the student of the school, the lid of the bucket, the people of Nizamabad. You can use this article the if the structure is noun plus of plus noun. For example, and you can use article the with the superlative degree of adjectives. For example, the longest, the most beautiful, etc. And with the adjective of positive degree, when the adjective refers to the whole context or class or group. For example, the blind, if it refers all the blind people. A blind man, it refers to a particular man. So in this case you should not use article the, but if it is referring to a group, to whole class, then you can use article the. For example, the poor, here it refers to all the poor people in the world. The rich are respected, it is used because all rich people are used here. The poor are neglected. And you can use article the with the comparative degree of adjectives. When increase or decrease in both sides, both sentences, as the more he gets, the more he wants. And with some certain nouns like unique things, only one piece of that kind, the sun, the moon, the earth, the world. I will give examples of all these at last, and with the name of rivers, seas, oceans, lake, etc. For example, the Godavari, the Red Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, and with historic or great buildings or monuments like the 55 Windows Palace, okay, the White House, etc. And with the names of newspapers like the Deccan Chronicle, the Rising Nepal, etc. You can use the and with holy books and with the great books you can use, for example, the Quran, the Bible, the Shakuntala, etc. And you can use article the with the parts of a day, for example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And with the parts of a building, the kitchen, the garden, the bedroom, the playground, because the playground, because it is also a part of building or school, the playground, okay, the office, the classroom, etc. Note, if these parts of a building are at open place, not inside the building, then do not use article the. If, yeah, you must remember this. If these parts are inside the building, then you must use the article the. If they are outside the building, then no need to use article the. If it is at open place, there is a garden behind the house. You see, garden. There is a garden behind the house. There are beautiful flowers in a garden because this garden is at open place, so we are not using here the garden, but we are using here a garden. And with the names of musical instruments like the piano, the harmonium, etc. You must remember this. If the musical instruments are used as the original purpose, then article the used. But in other conditions, articles a and an are used. I will give you one example. He had bought a piano. It's not for original purpose. He played the piano. The piano. It is for original purpose. Okay. The scientific discoveries, and with the scientific discoveries you can use article the radio, the computer, the mobile, the telephone, and so on. I listened to the radio. He bought a radio. Here I am using a radio because it is not for original purpose. That's why a or an can be used here. The day breaks. Okay, the sunshine, the sunset. And with the directions you can use article the east, the west, the north, the south. And with the names of united countries like the UK, the USA, the USSR, you can use article the. Like before a noun that has already been mentioned and is referred to again in the same piece of speech or writing. For example, Nimi bought a book on marine life. After she read the book, she decided to study oceanography. When used with a singular countable noun, the is used to refer to a whole class of things, objects, etc. For example, the psychiatrist is a doctor who treats mental illness. When used to refer to a noun and which is the only one of its kind in a particular situation. I told you I would like to speak to an employee here when there are many employees, but I would like to speak to the person in charge here because um, in charge is one person, only one person. And before the singular forms of proper nouns to suggest a comparison. Anu is the Sania Mirza of our college, implying that she is a brilliant tennis player. I told you before names of countries which consist of more than one word. Roma used to live in the United States of America. And okay, in these conditions we have to use article the. Now we will see uh, when we must not use article the, in which cases article the is not used. Usually before proper nouns, except in the situations before abstract nouns. Example, peace and names of activities and subjects of study. Example, gardening and economics, except when they are made specific by some phrases that we long for peace, not the peace. Okay, we long for peace, but we long for the peace of the hills. Before mass nouns like air and milk, except when they are made specific by a following phrase or clause. For example, we breathe air, not the air, but we breathe the air in the open. Before the names of most diseases, exceptions headache and cold. Cancer, if detected early, is curable. Before names of colleges and universities, if the name happens to include of. For example, Ranjit took a degree in law from the University of Hyderabad. But Ranjit took a degree in law from Delhi University. Okay, understood. Before names of colleges and universities, if the name happens to include of. Okay, University of Hyderabad. Here I am using University of Hyderabad. That's why I used article the before it. But in second sentence, Ranjit took a degree in law from Delhi University. Delhi University. There is no of between them, so no need to use article the before it. And before the names of meals had at different times of the day. For example, he took us out to dinner, but the dinner we had a Balu's Tiffin Center was delicious. Before nouns like church, college, hospital, when we are referring to them in relation to their primary purpose, prayer, higher education, treatment for illness, etc., and not as places or buildings. For example, her daughter is at college. Okay, here purpose for education, but her daughter cycles to the college, the building and surrounding campus. Usually before some collective nouns such as humankind, society, and humanity. For example, this is a great service to humanity. Will society forget such a great person? And in phrases with preposition by showing means of transport or transmission. Mansoor came to the city by train. You can go by car. Okay, so these are the rules you must remember while using articles. Thank you.